gosh, I got a pimple overnight. How freaking annoying. But I bought this brush online. It's supposed to be like a beach wave brush for your hair. So I just took my hair out of these overnight heatless curls. So I want to brush my hair out. So let's see. I'm going to do this on camera because I just really want to see how they're going to look. Yeah, I felt like I could have did these tighter, but whatever. So let's go. Did I do that right? Let's just do one pass, cause did I do that right? I don't know. I mean, so I'm going to use the Moroccan oil. Hopefully, I'm just gonna do one pump, but hopefully this like adds some moisture to my hair. But I guess I can always put it like in a high pony. What are your thoughts? Like, is this, I don't know. Whatever, it will just have to do today. Bye.